In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Canada, 2026 full guide. Creating high-quality local language content, translating complex documents, or practicing conversational fluency shouldn't feel like a second job. With native support for major Indian languages in 2026, ChatGPT makes it much easier to work directly in Canada. I'll walk you through setting up your interface, preparing your keyboard for smooth Canada input, crafting prompts that capture cultural nuance, reviewing audio with read aloud, and organizing your outputs into a clean workflow. First, set your Chat GPT interface to Canada so the overall experience matches your goals. Open the official Chat GPT site in your browser. Click your profile icon, go to Settings, then General, and open the language menu. Choose Canada, or make sure your browser and system language are already set to Canada so they sync automatically. If you don't see changes right away, refresh the page. This step aligns menus and messages with your target language and helps you stay focused. Next, enable a Canada keyboard so you can type natively without copy-paste hassles. Install Gboard from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you don't have it. On your phone, open Language and Input, tap Gboard, choose Languages, select Add Keyboard, and pick Canada. You can switch between English, phonetic transliteration, and native Canada script on the fly, usually by long pressing the spacebar. On iOS, add the keyboard in Settings under Keyboards, then enable Canada in Gboard. Now let's get natural, culturally accurate output by giving context-rich prompts. Open a new chat, switch your keyboard to Canada or use transliteration, and set clear expectations. Try a prompt like, act as an expert local linguistic advisor and professional Canada content writer. Review the following text. Translate it smoothly into natural conversational Canada script that maintains a respectful tone for professional business letters, avoids robotic literal translations, and structures the final formatting into a clean markdown table. Adding audience, tone, and regional style helps avoid stiff word-for-word results. After you receive the translation, use read aloud to hear pronunciation and rhythm. In the Chat GPT mobile app, open your conversation, long press the response, and tap read aloud. Listen for pacing and clarity, and replay sections to verify tricky words or formal honorifics. Finally, keep your multilingual work organized with a simple validation dashboard. Ask ChatGPT to generate a table you can paste into Google Sheets, or Excel with columns for English original text, phonetic romanized transliteration, native Canada script, and tonal check status, followed by 3 quick tips on common AI translation pitfalls to watch for before publishing. This structure makes reviews faster and more consistent. That's it. With your interface, keyboard, prompts, audio checks, and dashboard in place, you can confidently create polished Canada content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.